Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. So on the demand of aspirants, here I am with the mathematics blueprint for HSTR recruitment examination for a PM method. Okay, so before starting to discuss about the blueprint, I want to mention that nowadays very oftenly in the news it is coming that HSTR notification will be coming soon. So aspirants who all want to get this job, please start preparing right now because once the notification comes, you will not have time more than 2 months. Okay, so if you start now, then at least it will be easier for you to cover the syllabus and if you really work hard, you can get your name in the merit list for this job. On this note, let us start with what is actually this HSTR teacher recruitment exam. See, this is a high school teacher recruitment exam conducted by Karnataka government for high school teacher job, for a government job. It is conducted by School Education Department of Karnataka. Previously, it was conducted in 2015. After that, no exam was conducted and no recruitment was done for high school teachers. That's why this time notification becomes very important because many aspirants are waiting since long time to appear for this exam and get this job. So on the base of 2015 question paper, I have bought this blueprint for you all. Now what is the pattern of this exam? See, the exam will have two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 will be general knowledge, educational psychology, general English and computer literacy along with the mental ability. It will be a 2 hours exam and maximum marks will be 100 marks. And the exam, the entire exam, even paper 1 and paper 2, it will be a MCQs based exam. HSTR exam is not at all having descriptive questions. Okay, it is entirely based on objective type questions and no negative marking. Okay, many aspirants were asking me, madam, this is descriptive or MCQ. So this is an objective MCQ type questions will be there in this exam. Okay, and negative marking will not be there in the exam. Now coming back to our exam pattern. First paper was paper 1, I told you about this. Next will be paper 2. Paper 2 will be a subject specified paper. If you are a PM method aspirant, you will have physics and mathematics. If you are a CB method aspirant, you will have chemistry and biology. Okay, so for this paper also you will have 100 marks and maximum hours will be 2 hours, and this also will be a MCQ based or objective questions examination. Okay, clear, right? In this, no, 40 marks will be for physics and 40 marks will be for maths and 20 marks will be based on methodology. Okay, this methodology will be based on a PM method only. Okay, clear, right? So on this note, let us start by having a glance at what is the syllabus. See, this is a 2015 HSTR syllabus and I believe that this syllabus will not change because there is no much scope for this syllabus to be changed. Okay, so if they add something in this syllabus, it will go to PUC level teacher recruitment exam. If they reduce the syllabus, it will go to Gpstr level, that means the primary level teacher exam. So there is no scope for change in this syllabus. If at all they want to change, it will be very minute change. Only I think around 5% of syllabus will change if at all they want to change. Okay, so more than that though, there is no scope at all. Okay, so this will be the syllabus for 2024 also. Okay, so what is there in the syllabus for mathematics? Number system, surds, sets, progressions, commercial mathematics, statistics, permutation and combination, probability, basic concepts of algebra, polynomials, linear equations, exponents, quadratic equation, variation, basic geometrical ideas, triangles, quadrilaterals, polygons, circles, mensuration, trigonometry, coordinate geometry, symmetry and matrices. These 24 chapters are there in the syllabus for Hstr. Now I have been solving this 2015 question paper many times till now. So based on that research, I have made a blueprint. Okay. Now blueprint means from each chapter how many questions will come. All questions are objective based. So if you know from which chapter how many questions will come, it will be easy for you to prepare, right? Before starting the discussion on blueprint, let me tell you that if you are interested in joining Hstr PM method paid classes, then you can mail us at Atahar TET courses@gmail.com. Please note the spelling. It is ATAHAR. Okay. Or you can write us a message in WhatsApp. Our number is 911-055-8369. Or we have a Telegram channel and Telegram group. You will get the link in the description. You can write to us there also. Okay, you can join our Telegram channel and you can interact with us in the Telegram group. So coming back, for number system, I have seen 3 questions in 2015 paper. Okay, then for surds 1 question, for sets 2 questions, for progressions 2 questions, for commercial mathematics 2 questions, from statistics 2 questions, from permutation and combination 1 question. Okay, then for probability 1 question was there from this chapter. From basic concepts of algebra 4 questions were there. Actually, see, these basic concepts of algebra, polynomials, these come together only. So it is tough to differentiate exactly from which part they have asked the question. It can be polynomial also. Okay. Anyway, because I want to stress on this chapter of basic concepts of algebra because it's a very important chapter and very basic things are there to learn from this chapter. So I have put those questions in basic concepts of algebra only. Okay. Next, polynomials 2 questions. Basically together this basic concepts of algebra, polynomials, linear equations and exponents and of course quadratic equation. So for polynomials 2 questions were there, from linear equations 1 question. Of course from exponents question was not there, but it's an important chapter only anyway. Quadratic equation 2 questions were there. You don't specifically see for a simple chapter, okay, because that single chapter is a part of algebra only, right? So entire algebra if you take into account, you are getting 10 marks for algebra. Okay. Then variation, no question was there. From basic geometrical ideas also, no question was asked, but it's an important chapter because all basic things of geometry you will learn in this chapter. Okay, so what all comes in geometry? Triangles will come, quadrilaterals will come, later circles will come, then mensuration will come. Okay, all the construction part, everything will come in geometry only. So that's why you can treat these chapters as geometry. Okay, now seeing marks for triangles, they asked 4 questions from this. And see, actually the fact that you can put triangle into polygons also, specifically seeing the questions and putting it in the chapter of triangles wherever triangle is there, that way we are getting 4 questions from triangles. Okay, from quadrilaterals 1 question, from polygons 1 question. See, that's what I was telling, what all will come in polygons. See, in polygons I can put triangles, I can put quadrilaterals. In quadrilaterals also many types of quadrilaterals are there, right? That way I was telling you. Okay, then in circles 2 questions were asked. From mensuration 2 questions were asked. Mensuration also will become a very important topic because in mensuration you will learn areas of circles. Okay, not only areas, you will learn all the theorems, cyclic quadrilaterals, many more things you will learn in circles. Basically, you will learn a part of mensuration of circles in the chapter of circles also, in mensuration also. Okay, like that only in mensuration you will also learn a part of triangles also. Like that only in mensuration you will also learn a part of quadrilaterals also. So that's the reason why I was telling that it's an important chapter. Okay, now coming back to trigonometry, 2 questions. So these questions will be common general expected questions only from trigonometry. Then coordinate geometry, 3 questions were asked. This is a one of a very important chapter because it is having very typical and important formulae, like distance formula is there, section formula is there, slope formula is there, equation for straight line is there. Okay, so these topics make this chapter very important. Okay, then symmetry, no question was asked. It's a very easy chapter. If you skip also, no problem. Then matrices, 2 questions were asked. So these were the number of questions asked from each chapter. Now, keeping all this discussion in our mind, we can decide which are the group of chapters which are to be given more importance. See, this part, no, you give first preference because this is very easy part and the most important part. All the geometry part, because there is no much conceptual thing to be understood. Very simple things are there and we have been doing from our school days. So that's why this will give you a sort of confidence and enjoyment in doing mathematics. So that's why I am giving you suggestion to start with these bunch of chapters of geometry. Okay, so let me write one here. Go for these chapters first. Okay, so how many marks you will cover in total? Whole of 10 marks you will cover. Means 10 questions you can answer correctly if you learn these chapters and practice problems from these chapters. Okay, make the list of formulae and go for some expected questions. Okay, anyway, if you are a paid class aspirant in our course, then to no problem at all, because we will be explaining everything in the class, right? We will be giving notes also, and it will be very much helpful. Okay, then after going for this group of chapters, no, next you go for this group of chapters. This is basic concepts of algebra, polynomials and number system. Okay, why I am giving you this group of chapters means this is also very easy and most important. So take this as a second group of chapters. This way you will cover 9 marks. So you can answer 9 questions correctly if you are perfect with these chapters. Okay, then go for these chapters: trigonometry, coordinate geometry, matrices and progressions. Okay, these are also very interesting chapters and much of concept is not there. Just you have to blindly follow the formulae, and if you practice nicely, things will become very easy. Okay, so if you cover these chapters group, then you will be scoring how many marks? 9 marks again. You can give 9 questions answer correctly. Okay, after this you go for these chapters. Okay, see, linear equations, quadratic equations though are like logically based questions also may come from this part. Exponents though is very easy. We have been learning this from primary, right? So things should go very easily. Commercial mathematics also, if you feel that it is tougher, you can skip some part of the syllabus here and there depending upon what is important and what is not important. So here you will be scoring 5 marks. I mean to say, you can give correct answers for 5 questions if you be perfect with these chapters. Okay, at last go for these chapters. So the last which you are going to prepare for are surds, sets, statistics, permutation and combination, variation, symmetry and probability. Okay, so this is the plan which I have made for you all. If you all like it, please follow it and let me know your views on my plan. Just write down in the comment section, and also if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe.